Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with me. Welcome to Just Cook DC. Let us make a uniquely Kenyan dish called Githeri. A hash of maize, red beans, onions, ginger, garlic, cilantro, a little bit of curry powder, royco, potatoes. Githeri, join me on this one. It's gonna be a good one. Get some wine. Let's cook Githeri. Alright folks, I got some maize going here. Two ways you can do this. I'm using a pressure cooker, which cuts my time a lot. Or you could just put it in a heavy bottomed pan, 2 cups of maize, 2 cups of red beans, and boil them for about 2 hours, 3 hours or so. With my pressure cooker, 45 minutes, I'm done. Alright, let's throw in some bay leaves in there to flavor it, and I'm gonna put some salt, and we're gonna heat it in the pressure cooker for about 45 minutes. That should do. Oops, 46. Well, that's fine. "45 minutes later, release your steam, and we should have partially, pretty much cooked maize and beans. Ready to go, and we're gonna reconstitute this in a pan with some aromatics and spices. Oh yeah, this looks ready to go. Onion, potatoes, ginger, garlic, cilantro, tomatoes. Alright, Dutch oven with a little bit of olive oil in there. Get your onions in the hot pan. Ginger and garlic. We're gonna cook this down a couple minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes, until a little bit translucent. You want this on medium heat. You don't want to burn this. Burnt onions or garlic have a very bitter taste to them. Alright, a little bit of cilantro. Using about a tablespoon of that. Cook that down another minute or so until it gets aromatics. Tomatoes. We're gonna cook this down too, sweat it out. That should do it. And then we're gonna play around with some spices. Now this, you can go to town with whatever spices you're comfortable with. I'm gonna use some royco, which is a uniquely Kenyan spice. You could substitute with Garam masala. And some curry. Let me get my curry going here. Use some curry powder. About a tablespoon of each. I like it flavorful. A little bit of salt and pepper. And that should do it. So I toast my spices, get them flavorful, fragrant. Heat them up. When you heat the spices up, it releases the flavor. So you can toss this up a little bit. Yeah, it should take about 2 minutes. I'm gonna put my drained maize and beans back. Now when I When I took them out of the pressure cooker, I reserved some of the liquid. I'm going to use that liquid as a stock. Put that liquid back in there. Just kind of incorporate it little by little to get the spices all mixed up. And oh well, let's take the bay leaves out. We don't need those after the pressure cooker. So incorporate this stock in there, mix it all thorough. Keep adding liquid to your liking. If you like it watery, it's up to you. I like like that kind of consistency because we're gonna put potatoes. There we go. Incorporate that when I'm cooking potatoes. I want my potatoes to be covered. That should do it. Cover this guy. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the potatoes are done, and voila, we have Githeri. Oh, this looks good, smells great, flavorful. Well, I'll taste it, but the smell is just amazing. Look at that. It's nice, not overcooked. All right, let's serve this. And there is my Githeri with potatoes garnished with a parsley from scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.